Need to fix software glitches without deleting your personal files? Resetting all system settings on your Samsung Galaxy is a quick and safe solution. This process restores your phone's default system settings while keeping your photos, videos, contacts, apps, and other personal data untouched. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap General Management, then select Reset. From the available options, tap Reset All Settings. Next, tap the Reset Settings button at the bottom of the screen. If your device is protected with a PIN, password, or pattern, enter it to continue. Finally, tap Reset again to confirm your choice. Your Samsung Galaxy will restart automatically and the default system settings will be restored. Once the phone turns back on, you'll notice that settings such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound preferences, display options, and other system configurations have been reset. You may need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, pair Bluetooth devices again, and adjust settings like brightness or ringtone. Don't worry, this reset does not remove your personal content. Your photos, videos, contacts, messages, installed apps, documents, and accounts remain exactly as they were before the reset. This is one of the best troubleshooting methods if your phone is experiencing battery drain, connection issues, or unexpected software problems. It's much safer than a factory reset because it refreshes your system settings without erasing your valuable data. Your Samsung Galaxy has now been restored to its default system settings without affecting your personal data. We hope this walkthrough helped you solve your issue quickly. Stay tuned for more Samsung tips and helpful how-to guides.